In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alternate colors in Google Sheets. Alternating colors, sometimes called banded rows, make your data easier to read by guiding the eye across each line. It's a built-in feature in Google Sheets, so you won't need any add-ons or formulas. First, open Google Sheets and the spreadsheet you want to format. Make sure you're working on the correct tab. If your data has a header row, it's a good idea to include that in your selection so you can style it differently from the rest. Next, highlight the exact range you want to color. You can click and drag to select, or click the first cell and shift. Click the last cell to grab everything in between. If your table is already tidy, pressing Ctrl or Command plus A inside the table will quickly select it. Remember, only the selected range will be affected, so be precise if you don't want the entire sheet to change. Now go to the top menu and click Format. In the drop-down, choose Alternating Colors. This opens a panel on the right with all the banding options. In the sidebar, you'll see checkboxes for header and footer. Turn on Header if your first row contains column titles. This lets you give that row a distinct color and style. Turn on Footer if you have a totals row at the bottom and want it to stand out as well. If you don't have either, you can leave them unchecked. Below that, pick a style. Google Sheets offers several preset themes that look clean and professional. If you want more control, use the custom section to set the header color, the two alternating row colors, and even the text color. Aim for good contrast so your content is easy to read, especially if you share the sheet with others. Light tints usually work best for large tables, while stronger colors can be helpful for small summaries. As you preview your choices, the sheet updates in real time so you can quickly see what works. If something looks too strong or too subtle, adjust the colors until you're happy. When everything looks right, click Done at the bottom of the panel to apply the formatting. The alternating colors will stay with your selected range, and if you add rows inside that range, the banding will continue automatically. If you need to tweak the colors later, just return to Format, choose Alternating Colors again, and make your changes. That's it. Open your sheet, select your data, apply alternating colors, customize your header and styles, and finish with Done. Your table is now cleaner, more readable, and ready to share.